Badass ride alert in the shop today. This 2017 Camaro ZL1 with a fully built engine, heads, cams, big ported supercharger came in, started out with some touch-up paint all over the front to remove the chips, and then this vehicle really needed some help. You can see the whole thing was covered in light scratches, water spots, and the polish on this thing came out perfect. You could see the 50/50 there. Another example right here on the rear bumper. We cleaned up the exhaust tips with some steel wool and Tar X to great effect. You can see the water spots and the scratches on the trunk lid here, and just look how pure it comes out. We had an unbelievable transformation over this entire vehicle. It was a two-step buff and polish with a microfiber pad followed up with a yellow pad. This was a one-day job, and you can see these befores and afters just one after another. The white came out flawless. After the polish, we put a ceramic coating on, and like with all of my coatings, we did an interior detail. Check out this steering wheel. Crazy matted. This is not leather. This is disgusting. I was able to use a steam cleaner along with some tough stuff and a terry towel in order to basically saturate and clean the fibers of the steering wheel. And you can see that matted Alcantara came back to life, and you can see by the way that I can leave grooves with my fingers that the fibers were standing up and they were clean once again. Got some final shots of the interior and exterior of the vehicle in the studio right here, so you can really see the way the light hits on this nasty ZL1, as you can see. Honestly, such a fun job, and for once, believe it or not, I'm actually going to shut up and let you guys listen to this beast of a vehicle with my microphone and the exhaust tip. You know the car doesn't play around when it makes noises like that. This was a great job, and one day we were able to turn this vehicle from tired and dull to brand new and protected. Reach out to get your vehicle with the same transformation.